छोटे चैप्टर है। This is the last section, last part of real number, laws of exponents. Of course, this is not new for you. You have been learning laws of exponent from lower classes, but here for the viewpoint of view, I am writing the laws of exponents. For real number, a is greater than 0. A should be greater than 0 and P and Q की रेशनल नंबर्स भी है। अगर कोई A जो है रियल नंबर है जो 0 से बड़ा है और P और Q जो है ये रेशनल नंबर है, देन A to the power P, A to the power Q equal to A to the power P plus Q. यानी when bases are same, then exponents should be added. Second law है a to the power b to the whole power q. अगर इस रूप में कोई एक्सप्रेशन हो, then you can write here a to the power pq, यानी exponents should be multiplied. थर्ड लॉ है डिवीजन का, a to the power p divided by a to the power q equal to a p minus q. डिवीजन में एक्सपोनेंट का डिफरेंस दिया जाता है, सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाता है when p is greater than q. अगर ये कंडीशन है तो ये ऊपर चला जाएगा, p minus q हो जाएगा, and a to the power p, a to the power q equal to 1 by a to the power q minus q. अगर p is less than q, अगर डिनोमिनेटर का एक्सपोनेंट बड़ा है तो न्यूमरेटर नीचे आएगा और पावर जो है नीचे वाले से ऊपर वाले का एक्सपोनेंट घट जाता है, तो p is less than q. फोर्थ लॉ है a to the power p into b to the power p. यानी यहाँ बेस डिफरेंट है लेकिन एक्सपोनेंट दोनों का सेम है. एक्सपोनेंट्स आर सेम ऑफ बोथ बेसेस, देयरफॉर यू कैन राइट हियर a into b to the power p. थर्ड लॉ है a to the power m by n. This can be written as a to the power 1 by n in whole power m. And this can be also, this is called nth root. You can write it in the form of surds, nth root of a to the power m, where m and n have no common factor. इसमें m और n के बीच कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए, सिर्फ 1 हो सकता है. 1 is common factor everywhere and n is greater than 0. Now I am solving some problem on the basis of laws of exponent. You have to find out 64 1 by 2. You can write here for 64 8 to the power square to the power 1 by 2. ये एक्सपोनेंट लॉ के अनुसार 8 स्क्वायर into 1 by 2, 2 कैंसिल हो गया, 8 to the power 1 and you can write here 8. Similarly, you can write 125. For 125, you can write here 5 to the power cube. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. And this is how this will be equal to 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 cancel हो गया, 5 to the power 1 equal to 5. Question number 2 है, you have to find out 9 to the power 3 by 2. You can write it like this: 9 1 by 2 whole cube. You can write 9 for 9 3a square to the power 1 by 2 whole power cube. This will be equal to 2 into 1 by 2 to the power 3. 2 cancel हो गया, and this is simply 3 to the power cube, and this will give you 27. Similarly, you can find out 16 to the power 3 by 4. You can write this in this form: 16 to the power 1 by 4 whole to the power cube, and you can write 2 to the power 4 for 16, and this will become like this: 4 cancel हो गया, whole cube है 2 to the power cube, and this will be equal to 8. Now question number 3 is you have to simplify it by using exponents laws. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. You are observing that bases are same, so power should be added. You can write here bases are same. बेस सेम है, प्रोडक्ट है, therefore power should be added, exponent should be added, and this will be equal to 2 to the power 10 plus 3 by 15, and you will get 2 to the power 13 by 15. This will be your answer. Question number 3 है 1 by 3 to the power cube whole power 7. This can be brought up. पावर इसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखो 3 to the power minus 3, and by multiplying these two it will give you 3 to the power minus 21. Third question is 11 to the power 1 by 2, 11 to the power 1 by 4. बेस सेम है, and this is in division form, so exponent should be subtracted. You can write here 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. क्यों ऊपर ले गए? इसलिए कि 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4, and this will be equal to 2 minus 1 by 4, and this will give you 11 to the power 1 by 4. This will be answer. Here 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. Here we observe that bases are different but exponents are same. So you can write here like this: 7 into 8 to the power 1 by 2, and this will give you 7 8 is 56 to the power 1 by 2. You have to simplify it. 6 to the power 2 by 5 into 6 to the power 3 by 5. Here again we observe that bases are same, therefore power should be added. 6 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5, and this will give you 6 to the power 5 by 5. 6 to the power 1 cancel हो गया, 6 to this will be give you 6. Again the same thing is here: 7 to the power 5 by 6 into 7 to the power 2 by 3. You can write here 7 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3 equal to 7 5 plus 4 by 6, and this will give you 7 to the power 9 by 6. You can cancel by 3 and you will get 7 to the power 3 by 2. Now come to the next question. 8 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 8 to the power 3. 2 by 3. You observe that 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 2. Therefore, numerator should be brought in denominator, and you can write here 8 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 4 minus 3 by 6, and you will get 1 by 8, 1 minus 6. You can also write it like this, 8 to the power minus 1 by 6. You may write both results, either this or this. Come to the question number 3. 3 to the power 1 by 4 into 5 to the power 1 by 4. Here bases are different, but exponents are same. Therefore, this should be multiplied 3 into 5 to the power 1 by 4. And this will become 15 to the power 1 by 4. Now come to the question number 4. 6 1 by 2 into 7 1 by 2. Here also bases are different, therefore you can write here 6 into 7 to the power 1 by 2, and this will become 42 to the power 1 by 2. You have to find out the value of this expression. 3 to the power 4 whole power 1 by 4. This can be written as 3 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 4 cancel हो गया, 3 to the power 1 हो गया. This will be equal to 3. Similarly, you can write here 1 by 3 to the power 4 1 by 2. This can be written as 3 to the power minus 4 1 by 2, and here you can write here 3 to the power minus 2. This can be brought in denominator, power will become positive. 1 by 3 to the power square, this will give you 1 by 9. Seventh question, 49. You have to find out the values. 49 to the power 1 by 2. 7 you can write 49 as 7 to the power square, and this can be solved on the basis of exponent's law. So you can write here 7 2 into 1 by 2, 7 to the power 1, and this will be equal to 7. Now come to the question number 8. 64 1 by 6. You write 64 as 2 to the power 6. If you multiply 2 by 6 times, then you will get 64. So you can write here in exponent form 2 to the power 6 whole power 1 by 6, and as usual you can write here 2 6 into 1 by 6. This will give you 6 to the power 1 equal to 6. Again here 32 to the power 2 by 5. You can write 32 as 2 to the power 5 whole power 2 to the power by 5, and as usual you can write this like this. 5 5 cut दिया, 2 to the power square equal to 4. You have to find out the value of 64 to the power minus 1 by 2. You can write here for 64 8a square to the power minus 1 by 2. 8 a square into minus 1 by 2. This will give you 8 to the power minus 1, and you can write it like this. Similarly, you can find out 81 to the power minus 1 by 4. You can write for 81 3 to the power 4 to the power minus 1 by 4, and this will become 3 to the power minus 1, and it will be equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, another question is question number 11. 625 to the power 0.16 into 625 to the power 0.09. You observe that the bases are same, so you can add the exponents, and this is how you will get 625 to the power 0.25. You can write it for 625 25 square to the power, and here remove the decimal 25 by 100. You can write it, and now it will be equal to 25 square into 25 by 100. 25 2 ja 50, 50 2 ja 100, and this will be equal to 25 to the power 1 by 2. You can write it as usual 5 square to the power 1 by 2, and this will give you 2 into 1 by 2, and this will be equal to 5. Now come to this question. Third root of 2, fourth root of 2, 12th root of 32. You can write these terms in the form of exponent. You can write here 2 to the power 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 32 1 by 12. Here you can 2 to the power 1 by 3 2 into 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 32. For 32 you can write 2 to the power 5. If you multiply 2 by 5 times, then you will get 32. This is how you can write for 32 2 to the power 5 whole power 1 by 12. Now we observe that here bases are same, so power should be, exponent should be added, and thus we have written, I have written 2 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12, and this is how by adding the exponents you observe that 2 to the power 12 by 12, and this will give you 2 to the power 1, and this will be equal to 2. Now come to the question number 13. 81 by 16 to the power minus 3 by 4 into 64 by 27 to the power 1 minus 1 by 3. नीचे में 4 है, ये डिसाइड करेगा कि बाय व्हाट एक्सपोनेंट दिस शुड बी रेज्ड. इसका क्या जो है, हम 1 by 4 नीचे में है, इसलिए 4 के रेस्पेक्ट में इसको हमने तोड़ दिया. यू कैन राइट फॉर 81 3 to the power 4, and for 16 you can write 2 to the power 4, and I have written this as usual. Similarly here 1 by 3, you can write here 64 4 to the power cube, 4 4 just 16, 16 4 ja 64, and for 27 you can write here 3 to the power cube. Again this can be written as 3 by 2 whole power 4 whole power minus 3 by 4, and this can be also written as 4 by 3 to the power cube, and I have written as usual. Now 3 by 2, 4 into minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 into 3 into minus 1 by 3. This will give you 4 cancel हो गया 3 by 2 to the power minus 3, and this will be equal to 4 by 3 to the power minus 1. Now you know very well how can we change this negative exponent into positive one. By writing reciprocal, you can change negative exponent as positive exponent, and this will give you 2 by 3. Reciprocal 3 by 2 का 2 by 3, and then this will become positive into 3 by 4. 4 by 3 to the power minus 1. I have taken reciprocal of 4 by 3. This will be equal to 3 by 4, और पावर आपका पॉजिटिव हो गया 1. नाउ ब्रेक इट. 2 by 3 to the power cube. 2 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये विल गेट 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8. 3 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये विल गेट 3 3 जा 9 3 जा 27 into 3 by 4. On cancellation 3 9 जा 27, 4 2 जा 8, and you will get 2 by 9. Of course, I have done almost all the questions from your textbook NCERT and R.S. Agarwal also, and I have given you a good collection of problems on exponent. So I have nothing left for you, but I request you to do all the problems in your notebook. That will be asset for you. That's all. Thank you very much.